Chapter 8. Factors and Multiples. Natural numbers. The counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are called natural numbers. Whole numbers. The natural numbers along with 0 gives us the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, which are called whole numbers. Factors. Consider the multiplication fact. 4 multiplied by 8 is equal to 32. Here, the numbers 4 and 8 are multiplied to get a number 32. 4 and 8 are called the factors and 32 is called the product. Also, 4 multiplied by 8 is 32, gives us two division facts. 32 divided by 8 is 4 and 32 divided by 4 is 8. This means that both 4 and 8 divide 32 exactly and no remainder is left. Thus, a number is exactly divisible by each of its factors. Do you remember? 1 is the first and the smallest natural number. 0 is the smallest whole number. When two numbers are multiplied together, the number which we get as the result is called the product of those numbers. The numbers which are multiplied together are called the factors of the product. Remember that we can use more than two numbers to build a product. All the numbers used to build a product are factors of that product. In other words, we can have more than two factors of a number. Examples. 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 is equal to 70. Shows that 2, 5 and 7 are factors of 70. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 24. Shows that 2, 3 and 4 are factors of 24. Finding factors of a number. We can find the factors of a product by two methods. Method 1. Using multiplication. In this method, we try to find the numbers whose product is the given number. Let us consider the number 24 and find its factor. Since 1 multiplied by 24 is equal to 24, therefore 1 and 24 are factors of 24. Since 2 multiplied by 12 is 24, therefore 2 and 12 are factors of 24. Chapter 8. Factors and Multiples. Natural numbers. The counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are called natural numbers. Whole numbers. The natural numbers along with 0 gives us the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, which are called whole numbers. Factors. Consider the multiplication fact. 4 multiplied by 8 is equal to 32. Here, the numbers 4 and 8 are multiplied to get a number 32. 4 and 8 are called the factors and 32 is called the product. Also, 4 multiplied by 8 is 32, gives us two division facts. 32 divided by 8 is 4 and 32 divided by 4 is 8. This means that both 4 and 8 divide 32 exactly and no remainder is left. Thus, a number is exactly divisible by each of its factors. Since 3 multiplied by 8 is 24, therefore 3 and 8 are factors of 24. Since 4 multiplied by 6 is 24, therefore 4 and 6 are factors of 24. Therefore, all the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Method 2, using division. In this method, we try to find a number which divides the given number without leaving remainder. Let us try to find the factors of 24 by this method. Since 24 divided by 1 is 24, therefore 1 and 24 are factors of 24. Since 24 divided by 2 is 12, therefore 2 and 12 are factors of 24. Since 24 divided by 3 is 8, therefore 3 and 8 are factors of 24. Since 24 divided by 4 is 6, therefore 4 and 6 are factors of 24. Therefore, all the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. To find out if a number is a factor of another number, what should we do? Look at this example 1. Is 26 a factor of 832? Solution. To show that one natural number is a factor of a second natural number, we show that the first number will divide the second number exactly and leave no remainder. Thus, here we divide 832 by 26. The remainder is 0, therefore 26 is a factor of 832. Now solve this second example for yourself. Method 2, using division. In this method, we try to find a number which divides the given number without leaving remainder. Let us try to find the factors of 24 by this method. Since 24 divided by 1 is 24, therefore 1 and 24 are factors of 24. Since 24 divided by 2 is 12, therefore 2 and 12 are factors of 24. Since 24 divided by 3 is 8, therefore 3 and 8 are factors of 24. Since 24 divided by 4 is 6, therefore 4 and 6 are factors of 24. Therefore, all the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Properties of factors. 1 is a factor of every number. We know that 5 divided by 1 is 5. 8 divided by 1 is 8. 19 divided by 1 is 19, etc. Thus, 1 is a factor of every number. A number has limited number of factors. Second, every counting number is a factor of itself. We know that 8 divided by 8 is 1. 12 divided by 12 is 1. 17 divided by 17 is 1, etc. Thus, every counting number is a factor of itself. Every counting number is a factor of 0. We know that 0 divided by 6 is equal to 0. 0 divided by 15 is equal to 0. 0 divided by 125 is equal to 0, etc. Thus, every counting number is a factor of 0. A factor of a counting number is either less than or equal to that number. It is clear that the smallest factor of a counting number is 1. The largest factor of a counting number is the number itself. So the factor of a counting number is either less than or equal to the number. Division by 0 is meaningless. 8 divided by 0 has no meaning. 12 divided by 0 has no meaning and is undefined. Multiples. Consider the multiplication fact 4 multiplied by 8 is equal to 32 again. We called 4 and 8 factors and 32 product. Another name of product is multiple. Look at the multiplication table of 3 given below. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 are the first 9 multiples of 3. These multiples of 3 have been obtained by multiplying 3 by the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, so on till 9. A multiple of 3 is a product of 3 and another counting number. Thus, multiple of a number can be defined as a multiple of a number is any of the products of the given number and some other counting numbers. Examples: the multiples of 4 are 4 into 1, 4 into 2, 4 into 3, 4 into 4, 4 into 5, till 4 into 10. That is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and so on. The multiples of 5 are 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3, 5 into 4, 5 into 5, till the end. That is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. Properties of multiples. Every number is a multiple of 1. We know that 1 into 2 is 2. 1 into 5 is 5. 1 multiplied by 25 is 25, etc. Thus, every number is a multiple of 1. Every counting number is a multiple of itself. We know that 4 into 1 is 4. 6 into 1 is 6. 101 into 1 is 101, etc. Thus, every counting number is a multiple of itself. Zero is a multiple of every counting number. We know that 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 8 is 0. 0 into 85 is 0, etc. Thus, 0 is a multiple of every counting number. Every multiple of a counting number is either equal to or greater than the number. We know that the smallest multiple of 4 is 4. The smallest multiple of 9 is 9. The smallest multiple of 20 is 20, and so on. Thus, every multiple of a counting number is either greater than or equal to the number. Look here at example 1. Find first 5 multiples of 14. Solution. The first 5 multiples of 14 are 14 into 1, 14 into 2, 14 into 3, 14 into 4, 14 into 5, that is 14, 28, 42, 56, 70. Hence, the first 5 multiples of 14 are 14, 28, 42, 56, and 70. Here, is 744 a multiple of 24? Let us divide 744 by 24. Since 24 divides 744 exactly, it is a factor of 744. Hence, 744 is a multiple of 24. Example 3. Find the 8th multiple of 16. 8th multiple of 16 is 16 multiplied by 8, which is 128. Even and odd numbers. Even number. A number which is a multiple of 2 is an even number. 0, 2, 4, 6. 8, 10, 12, 14 are all even numbers. Even numbers always end in one of the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Odd number. A number which is not a multiple of 2 is an odd number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 are all odd numbers. Odd numbers always end in one of the digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.